Hey guys, if you guys see any coin that you want to trade and you actually see something like this on top of this coin, or for instance on this platform get.io here, this appear as I want to carry out this arbitrage. I click on here to know the kind of risk that is involved. So once I click on that, what I see is that this coin has a percentage transaction fee for each on-chain transaction, which sorry we will charge extra 10% withdrawal fee to cover the deposit collection cost. That means they will charge extra 10% fee plus the normal fee charge of this coin, and sometimes it might not be profitable if you are carrying an exchange arbitrage. And so we are not going to use this coin. I actually made this video to actually show you guys, in case you find yourself in this kind of situation, you should know what to do. So I'm going to look for another arbitrage and we move on. Okay, so when I see any arbitrage, I'm going to come back. Thank you. Okay guys, I've been able to come up with another exchanges arbitrage, since the one we wanted to do has a lot of fees attached to it. So I've been able to look for another one, and you can see the coin of WSB. So that is the coin we actually want to use for this arbitrage. So without wasting much time, we are going to dive into the video and see if actually we are going to make profit or not. I want to actually use 200 USDT as our start capital. The reason why is that because of the network address that we want to use, it is Ethereum network address that is involved. So what we need to do is to insert the amount 200 USDT. With our 200 USDT, you can see the figure we are going to have. So, and we are going to use limit order for this. And mind you, you can actually also use market order, but if you want to use market order, you need to boost your capital from 500 to 1000 USDT. But with this 200 USDT, you are going to use limit order, not market order. So let's dive into the video. So first of all, what you need to do is let's copy this. So after copying this, we need to navigate to where we are going to withdraw it. So once we click on wallet, you click on withdraw. Since we are transferring it to another exchange, you need to click on withdraw. Click on the coin or search for the coin. So once we are here, what you need to do is to paste in the amount of coin you have with your 200 USDT. You paste it there. You check below where you see received amount. You are actually going to receive this figure below. You can see the figure below. So let me copy it down to somewhere. So let's go to the other exchange. This is what we will receive in the other exchange. You can see the network address here is ERC20. So let's move to the other exchange and see how much we are going to make from this arbitrage with our 200 USDT. So now I'm on this exchange. Please stay tuned because all these two exchanges, I'm going to mention it at the end of this video. Now we are here. We were left with, after removing the charges, we were left 82994 318 869. So you can see we have been able to make 10 USDT as our profit. We started this with 200 USDT and we have 10 USDT. And I want to be plain to you guys. On the other exchange we bought, there was much liquidity, but coming here there is no much liquidity, which means that you might be on the platform for so long. So that is just the red flag here, because there is no much liquidity here. But if you assume, or if you think you can wait, you can actually carry out this arbitrage. But if you don't have patience, please don't carry out this arbitrage. Thank you. I love you guys so much, so I cannot come and lie to you guys what is working, and I will tell you that it's working. If it's not working, I will let you know that it's not working. That doesn't mean that there will be no liquidity here later. There might be a liquidity later, but right now there's no liquidity. So if you like the kind of content I'm dropping for you guys, like, subscribe and share to my video, and please always come back here and see if there's liquidity for you actually to carry out this trade. The two exchanges that are involved in this arbitrage, Gate.io and Mex. I bought from Gate.io and now sell on Mex, and you can see the potential profits here, so you can actually go and do that as well. So thank you.